Hi there. This is Farmer Ty, and I'm going to show you how I frag Duncans. This is a colony that I'm looking to move along, so I went ahead and made the decision to go ahead and cut it up and sell it at the next frag swap. The goal is I'll be cutting it as careful as possible, trying to not cut through the actual polyps themselves. Just you can find natural divisions in the colony itself. And I'll be using this Gyphon saw, and it'll be hopefully very easy to do. We'll see. So as you can see, started making these initial cuts into it so that it's easier to crack. And hopefully at that point, once I get enough of these initial cuts, I can start cracking these colonies off and kind of chipping away, and it slowly makes it a little bit easier to start cutting into this thing. Now that I've made the first initial incision, what I want to do is try to get it at a better angle so that I can go ahead and give it a gentle tap and hope that it breaks off that section, so it makes it a little bit easier to cut with the saw from that point on. And there you go, folks. So you can see from my initial incision right here, allowed me to at least get in, give it a couple taps, and go ahead and cut that, or tap and break that little portion off. So now I have one frag, and I might actually cut this in half. It's quite the large one. Go ahead and put that in some water that I have sitting here. But now that allows me to get into this colony a little bit easier, and I'll just keep doing this and kind of working around the edges and slowly be able to cut sections off to make it much easier to frag. And then eventually I'll start having these standalone pieces that the saw will just cut right off here and make it nice and easy on myself. So